Namaste dosto, hello friends. Today in Journey to Learn Hindi with Neha, in the Hindi grammar subsection, we will learn Vyanjan ke bhed. First, we have to see Varn ke bhed. There are two major categories of Varn, that is letters. The type of letters are divided as Swar, which are the vowels, and consonants, the Vyanjan. They are Sparsh Vyanjan, Antastha Vyanjan, Uchma Vyanjan, and Sanyukt Vyanjan. Now let's see them in detail. Vyanjan, consonants. जिन वर्णों का उच्चारण स्वर की सहायता से किया जाता है once again we said what that vowels do not require the support of any other letters but when the consonants they require the help the support of whom swar for their own sound therefore they are known as consonants जिन वर्णों का उच्चारण करते समय सांस कंठ तालु आदि स्थानों से रुककर निकलती है उन्हें व्यंजन कहा जाता है so basically while pronunciating or while taking out the sounds of these consonants when our breath or the air it gets stuck somewhere or the other in the kant talu etc which we will discuss in further slides these are known as consonants so these are the consonants Vyanjan ke bhed. Now the types of Vyanjan. First, we have already seen it was Sparsh Vyanjan. So what is Sparsh Vyanjan? इन व्यंजनों का उच्चारण मुख के विभिन्न अंगों के स्पर्श से किया जाता है क से म तक कुल 25 व्यंजन स्पर्श है लेकिन द्विगुण व्यंजन ढ़ ढ को जोड़ देने पर इनकी संख्या 27 हो जाती है so while taking out the sound of these vyanjan the first type of consonant sparsh vyanjan the mukh the mouth various part of our mouth are touched by a tongue or felt by the breath so there are in total 25 sparsh vyanjan but if we include two more Vyanjans, and the, then this 25 becomes 27 Sparsh Vyanjan. And they are divided how? Ka category, Cha category, Ta category, Ta category, and Pa category, which in Hindi we say Ka Varg, Cha Varg, Ta Varg, Ta Varg, Pa Varg, Ka, Kha, Ga, Kha, Anga. च वर्ग च छ ज झ इया then t वर्ग t h d ढ ण and we also include sometimes the division in this t वर्ग ड़ and ढ t वर्ग t th d th n last p वर्ग p f p bh m next category of consonant अंतस्थ व्यंजन अंतस्थ व्यंजन वे व्यंजन होते हैं जिनका उच्चारण स्वरों और व्यंजनों के बीच में होता है अंतस्थ व्यंजन चार होते हैं so these are those consonants whose sound are somewhere between the vowel and the consonant they are only four in number y r l v इन अंतस्थ वर्णों के उच्चारण में सांस की गति दूसरे अन्य व्यंजनों के अपेक्षाकृत काफी कम होती है और इन चार वर्णों में य और व वर्णों को अर्धस्वर अथवा संघर्षहीन वर्ण के नाम से भी पहचाना जाता है सो while taking out the sound of these letters y r l v the sound which comes out is basically effortless. Out of these four, y and V. These two letters are known as Ardha Swar or Sangharshin. That means the least effortless or the effortless out of these four are Ya and four Antastha Vyanjan. How are they pronounced? Friends, we will come back to this after we discuss few more types of sound later. So we will come back to this part later. Ushma Vyanjan. Now let's move to the third part. Ushma Vyanjan. जिन वर्णों के उच्चारण में मुख के विशेष प्रकार की गर्म उष्म वायु निकलती है उन्हें उष्म व्यंजन कहते हैं। इनके उच्चारण में श्वास की प्रबलता रहती है। इनकी संख्या 4 होती है। So, what we see over here that the word ushma, this word ushma is what? It means garm. Now again, what is garam? It is the warm. So, the letters, when we take out the sound of these letters, the breath becomes little warm. We can feel that. Friends, if you put your palm in front of your mouth while speaking out these letters, you can feel that the breath inside has become little warm while producing these sound. Cha, cha, sa, and ha. Okay, next. संयुक्त व्यंजन. Like संयुक्त स्वर, we have संयुक्त व्यंजन. So, combined consonant दो या दो से अधिक व्यंजनों के मेल से बने होते हैं. These consonants are made from one or two consonants or more than two consonants. चार प्रकार के संयुक्त व्यंजन हैं. So, how many types of combined consonants? We have been learning this from our lessons in reading Hindi also, that there are four types of combined consonants. These are ksha, which is a combination of half ka and sha. Then tra, combination of half ta and ra. Gya, combination of half ja and ya. Shra, combination of half sha and ra. Once again, while talking about gya, so originally this gya was combination of half ja and ya. But now, with the passage of time, somewhere in some of the textbooks or in many tutorials, you will find that this gya is combination of half ka and ya, which is again as per the usage of the languages, this has now transformed. उच्चारण स्थान के आधार पर सभी वर्णों का वर्गीकरण. What does this mean? किसी भी वर्ण, any letter के उच्चारण, the sound of any letter के लिए मुख्य के विभिन्न भागों का सहारा लेना पड़ता है. Various parts of mouth are taken help of. मुख के जिस भाग अवयव से वर्ण का उच्चारण किया जाता है उस वर्ण का उच्चारण स्थान कहलाता है. उच्चारण स्थान मुख्यतः 6 है. So, in order to make sound of a letter, we use various parts of mouth. According to the part of the mouth which is being used for that sound, we categorize the letter. So, the sounds are primarily of 6 kind. Sound depending on the mouth part. First is kant, throat. Murdh, talu ke upar, the upper part of palate. Then palate. Palate is the talu, normal palate. Dant, teeth. Osht, oat. Lips. Nasika or naak, that is the nose. So, throat, upper palate, palate, teeth, lips and nose part. उच्चारण स्थान के आधार पर सभी वर्णों का वर्गीकरण किया गया है जो निम्नलिखित है. Now, the letters have been categorized as first कंठ्य. जिनका उच्चारण कंठ से हो वे कंठ वर्ण है. using what? Throat part. Example: a, k, kh, g, gh, bh, h. Friends, in this part of lesson, I would like all of you to say the letters along with me. This will make you understand better that why are we categorizing the letters in different parts. Next, तालव्य. जिनका उच्चारण तालु से हो वे तालव्य वर्ण है. पैलेट, जैसे इ, ई, च, छ, ज, झ, य, श. नेक्स्ट, मूर्धन्य. जिनका उच्चारण मूर्धध से हो वे मूर्धन्य वर्ण है. जैसे ट, ठ, ड, ढ, ड़, ढ़, र, ठ. Upper part of palate. दंत्य, द टीथ पार्ट. जिनका उच्चारण दांत से हो वे दंत्य वर्ण है. जैसे ट, थ, द, ध, ल, स. The tongue touches the teeth. ओठ्य. जिनका उच्चारण ओठ से हो वे ओष्ठ्य वर्ण है. उ, ऊ, प, फ, ब, भ. Only the lip portion is used for the sound. अनुनासिक. जिनका उच्चारण मुख और नाक से हो वे अनुनासिक वर्ण है. माउथ एंड नोज. जैसे पंचामक्षर, 5 letters, अंग, इया, ण, न, म. They are the anuswar or the chandra bindu. This, friends, this is anuswar. So whichever word has this, they are the anunasik category, and chandra bindu is this symbol. Next, कंठ्य. तालव्य जिनका उच्चारण कंठ और तालु से हो वे कंठ तालव्य वर्ण है. सो दिस इज कंठ तालव्य. जैसे ए, both throat and the palate. कंठोष्ठ्य. जिसका उच्चारण कंठ और ओष्ठ से हो, that means throat and lips, वे कंठोष्ठ्य वर्ण है. ओ, औ. नाइन्थ, दंतोष्ठ्य. जिनका उच्चारण दंत और ओष्ठ से हो वह दंतोष्ठ्य है. And it's only one, which is va. The dant means teeth and osht means lip. So this is a single letter. This is va. Next. Thank you friends. Dhanyavad dosto. Please don't forget to watch our next video on lesson 3 of Hindi grammar, Shabd Vichar. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to give your feedbacks so as to improve my videos for better learning. Namaste.